Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you half swipe on Snapchat this 2023. So with this new update you can actually do this guys. So before we start, make sure that you are updated to the latest version of Snapchat here. So as you can see I'm not yet updated, so let me just update it real quick. Okay, so you just have to wait for the update to finish. So there, all you have to do is wait guys. Okay, so once done you just have to open that. And okay, so as you can see, let's go over to the messages here. So there, as you can see, I have it here, my messages. So let us try and send a message to a random one for demonstrations purposes. So let's go ahead. So as you can see, it has a new chat, so let's not seen it. So to be able to half swipe guys, you just have to go ahead and press and hold the avatar. And you just have to do this real quick guys. So press and hold the avatar like that. And you just have to use two fingers so that you can go ahead and see it there. So as you can see, it's not yet seen. You will see it, but it will not be seen because you are doing this method to half swipe. So as you can see right there, so let's try again. So for example there, so as you can see it's still on new chat, so let's go ahead and go that. So as you can see, you can do that and there. So once again, let's try that. So there, new chat. So let's half swipe that real quick. There, you can see it. And it's not yet seen. So if we seen it, there, as you can see, it's now seen. It will be received. And there guys. So there guys, that's how you can actually do this half swipe on Snapchat this 2023. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.